day. I got an article real quick. You got to see this. I mean, this is, wow. Okay, Bitcoin just exploded higher while XRP and many altcoins are being left behind. Okay, this may not be happening randomly. Okay, so the U.S. Treasury, it just stepped into the bond market after 30-year yield reached its highest level since 2007. That's what I was talking about yesterday. The yields dropped a little bit. Okay, the dollar weakened and Bitcoin took off. Is the government already being forced to respond to the debt problem? What is going on around here, people? Okay, so 30-year yield reached approximately, what's it at? 5.34. It's down. So it did come down a little bit as of today, 5.209. I'll show you the chart here in one sec. Treasury announced larger long-term bonds. Oh, they're doing the buybacks. So the 30-year yield dropped 10 basis points. The dollar weakened. Okay, this generally helps the dollar price asset. Now, investors are demanding more compensation to lend to government for 30-year bonds. The rising yield increased the mortgage rates, corporate borrowing costs, and federal interest expense. The Treasury intervention supports your argument right here. Now, let me just show you what's going on here with the charts. If you can see this, okay, we're looking at now. Mind you, this is backwards. I'm on my phone here. I'm just showing you. This is the 30-year Treasury bond. Let's put in a parallel line so we can kind of see. Okay, so it hit the all-time high, the high since 27. Okay. So we're in this channel of this upward movement, and this is, look, people, the Fed cannot control this. This is the 30-year bond. This is the bond market. Okay, it's just like anything else. It's all about supply and demand and money movement and things like this. So as this goes up, take a look here. Here's the Bitcoin chart. Ba-boom. Okay, can you guys see that right there? What the percentage gain on this? Okay, now these are daily candles just from a couple days ago. Look at that. That's about 10.83 movement up. So hey, remember everybody, you can't predict these things. You can never hit the exact bottom or the exact top. And so just know that this movement, don't beat yourself up if you didn't get in. Like on XRP, I was about to purchase some last night. Dang it. Whatever though, you can't, like I said, you can't beat yourself up. Look at the XRP chart. Oh, it's moving more. Look at this. Look at this pump today, ladies and gentlemen. Gosh darn it. The all-time, the 52-week low is 98 cents. I promised myself that I was going to buy some when it went below $1. Today, XRP pumped just about 9%. Yeah, about 9% pump. So, hey, congratulations if you got in on that. That's awesome. Don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up here. Now, let's see here. Okay, this explains the 30-year yield. Okay, the high was 5.34. What's going on? What is going on here? So, hey, I just wanted to share that with you. I just wanted to show you a couple of these charts here. In conclusion, hang in there. I think this jump, this is one of those things where we just had a flood of volume come in on the Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum as well. But some of the other meme coins aren't responding appropriately. But go to technical analysis, people. Use TA, draw your lines, see where those support and resistance levels are at. Now, if you're interested, I got that TradingView link. It's the best charting service. This one I just showed you, this TradingView, has the most indicators that you can ever imagine. And it's free to draw your lines, and I think you get a couple indicators for free. If you want more and get crazy with it, like the RSI is a big one. That's that relative strength index. I look at that a lot. The different volume patterns. There's a bunch of things that you can look at in here. I'll just show you. Look, these indicators. Look, you click it. You click the indicators tab up here. I mean, it can just look at all this stuff. Dude. Each one of these is an indicator, which you can get overwhelmed with. Okay, and there's strategies, profiles, patterns. I mean, it's literally hundreds of different things. Be careful, don't overwhelm yourself when you're doing this, but get better at technical analysis, because what happens is there's news stories and there's hype being built, but the TA doesn't lie. When you get in here and get better at drawing your lines, support and resistance, you simplify things, it makes it better. Hey, what's up, everybody? I used to do these guys. All right, thanks for checking in, everybody. Give me that thumbs up if you would, please. Hang in there. We're in the middle of the week. I'm going to be interested to see what the Fed says moving forward here, and be careful of those AI companies. We might be, I don't know, just be cautious right now. Keep some cash on the sideline for when things do pop off, and then we go from there. Hops off signing off. Thanks for your time, everybody. Peace out. Peace out.